Stainer Golf Company, your one-stop shop for all things golf course accessories. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be going over the top 5 items for November 2024. To begin things off with our number 1 item of the month, we have our SG Pro hole cutter, both with the hammer mechanism along with the ratcheting mechanism as well. And reminder, it does come all with the depth gauge. Second item of the month, we have our flags and practice green flags, both embroider, screen print, and die sub on both the flag along with the practice green flag. Going into our third item, we have our timber, our dimple tee marker, along with our cube dome resin custom tee markers. Next up we have on the list is our grain activator. This is our Humic 1442. As we all know, healthy roots equals healthy turf. A lot of you have been liking this, so we look forward to adding this in your next spray. Next up on the list, we have our Magnum series. This consists of our junior and senior, along with our inline, along with our 5-gang and 3-gang units. So whether it's those 5 items or flag sticks, bunker rakes, or anything else you need when it comes to golf course accessories, Stainer Golf has you covered.